Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Yalon, and in today's video I'm going to be doing another headband wig, but this time it is in collaboration with RuiYu HAIR. I've never heard of them and I definitely want to give them a try. So yeah, let's just get straight into this. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, go ahead, hit the subscribe button, turn on my post notifications so you are aware of when I post, and let's get into it. So this is their packaging, and I hope I'm pronouncing this correctly, but I believe it's RuiYu HAIR, and this is 100% virgin human hair. Okay, so for this hair, this is their 22-inch headband wig, and this is in deep curly, and it has a 150 density. So it comes packaged like this. And then also included with it, you have two headbands, so you can of course switch up your style. The headband is attached to the wig, and then you can always put these over it. And then they just threw in some extra rubber bands, and then like an extra band if I need to adjust the strap. So yeah, let's just get straight into it. My hair is already prepped for my wig. I just have a middle part going, and then the rest of my hair has the cap on and protected with braids. So yeah, so this is the hair. So it's more of like a loose wave texture, and of course the headband is already attached onto it. So this is it, and then it has the combs that you attach onto it. And yeah, it's like a loose wavy texture. It's really soft actually, so this is more of a looser curl. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and just put it straight on. I'm gonna undo the Velcro. And this one is a little bit different, the way that they constructed the actual headband. Like, if I'll focus, like you see the stitching on this part of it, and it doesn't look as full, like as it like wrapping around, but we're gonna see what it looks like when I put it on. And of course, you don't have to leave out any hair. That's just what I like to do. I feel like it makes it look more natural and like it's coming from my actual head and that I don't have a wig on. So that's just something I like to do. I'm just gonna pull it forward a little bit. Okay, and this is what it's looking like. So the construction is a little bit different. So it kind of cuts off right here, right at this point. So I feel like they should have just let the stitching be completely, but I feel like they should have did it with no stitching. The stitching on it kind of throws me off a bit, but if you're covering it with other headbands, then it doesn't really matter. But yeah, so this hair, of course, it's bigger as you fluff it out. It has a really nice texture actually. It's really soft. It's actually really gorgeous. It's gorgeous hair. The cap fits me pretty good, but yeah, the only thing that throws me off is the way that they constructed the headband. But with my headband wigs, I never even wear just this headband. I always put another headband on over it. Like, even I'll take like another plain headband, a black headband, and put it over it. So that's not something that really concerns me. I'm just saying it's different from the other ones I've seen. So this right here is like a floral blue tropical headband. So I'm gonna show y'all that on. And with headband wigs, if you guys didn't know, you can always do different looks. You're not just restricted to this one look of just wearing it out. You can put this hair half up, half down, ponytails, buns, anything. Like, the way it's constructed, you can do anything you want with it. So this is the first one on. This hair is really pretty. So this is the first look. Really cute. Like I said, this is like a loose wave. Really pretty. And then I'm gonna show you guys the other headband on. This hair is also a bit more on the thinner side for curly hair, and I'm thinking it's because of the texture of it. I've noticed with like looser textures of curly hair, they tend to feel thinner with the wigs. But if you get like a more kinky curly texture, those wigs tend to be more full and thick. So that's something to keep in mind. Just depending on your own personal preference of how thick you like your wigs. If you order like a more loose texture, then your wig's probably going to feel a bit more thinner, which is going to be like more lightweight on you. But if you do like a more full wig, it will feel a bit more heavier on your head. But this one is lightweight, doesn't really feel like much is on your head, but it doesn't look skimpy either. It's just not as super full, but you don't see anything looking see-through. So yeah, this is what this headband looks like on. This one's cute as well. Y'all know this is my favorite look. I love me a good headband wig, and just doing protective styling, just leaving my natural hair alone underneath my wigs while my hair just gets to flourish, and I'm ready to go. Like, super quick, simple application. So if you guys haven't already, check out RuiYu Hair. I will have all their information linked in the description box below. They have other wigs on their website as well, so it's not just this one. You have a variety of headband wigs that you can choose from, so all the information is in the description box below. I hope you guys all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye guys.